Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on the Doogee X95. And to do this, first let's locate the slot on this device, and I think it's right here. And now take a needle from the box and stick it in the gap right here. And we can see that there's a one slot right here. And another slot can be placed right here, but where the SD card is, but that way you won't be able to fit the SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.